Hi there. Have you ever had your partner or travel buddies remind you to pack light? Because apparently, you tend to bring with you a whole luggage worth of makeup stuff and OOTDs, and it just won't work. Because you're gonna travel from city to city and walk sometimes and not be able to carry all that stuff anyway. So yeah, you have to pack light, while still looking real cute in your pics and videos, of course. It kind of does depend where you're going, but let's assume you're doing a summer trip to a tropical or just a rather sunny place, and you want your Facebook and Instagram people to know all about it. You have to plan your outfits, don't you? And you also have to plan your makeup looks. You don't really have to be strict about it, but at least be reasonable and have plans B, C, and D. And make sure you do prior research about climates and weather conditions wherever you're traveling, and think ahead about how your skin might react so you can plan accordingly. I personally think my freckles look rather cute on summer travel photos. So I do minimal makeup and just have eyelash extensions and I'm all set. But I've seen my previous photos and kind of wish that I've done things differently. There are some where I feel like, oh, this just looked like a normal day, not really a travel vloggy enough photo. I also want those high quality model-esque travel photos on Instagram and Facebook, because I'll do some traveling soon and I don't want to regret not looking my cutest. As you may have already guessed, I'm going to show you what will be in my travel makeup kit and why they just have to be there. Also, I'll be showing you a makeup look suggestion that's light, easy, and cute enough for fancy travel photos. So here it is, my travel makeup kit. Like I said, makeup. I have a separate hygiene or grooming kit where my hair care and other bathing and washing products are, as well as my lotions and moisturizers, all in travel sizes. What's in the bag? Let's see. A facial toner you can trust. Doesn't really have to be this one, but this one is very light and gentle. Balancing serum, or whatever serum you want to use. But like the first one, this is quite all around, so I chose this one. A base you can rely on. Waterproof BB cream or foundation with great SPF. A super trusted powder. A multi-stick blusher. My favorite contour set. A really pigmented eyeshadow palette with nice colors that would match your OOTDs. Don't forget the brows. And the eyeliner. And clean brushes. Lip balm. Mascara. I have a mini version. A glossy and matte lip color. Anti-oily powder. Setting spray. Hair oil and hair ties. So you can experiment with your hair too. For the makeup. The makeup should be more on the natural side than on the stage performance, special event kind. You know what I mean? What I love about this palette is that it has lots of different colors I could experiment with, and they're very easy to apply. I could just use my fingers. Less brushes to carry along with me, hey? Doing a kind of naturalish, brownish, bronzish eyeshadow look. Eyeliner, of course. Not too much. But I love my cat eye, obviously. As you can see, high SPF foundation, it's just really white right now, but we're gonna mix the colors later on. Don't have to worry about that. Lip balm. Blush. Powder. Blush. A bit of a drunk look, kind of. Let's say we're going to a summery place. A little bit of bronzer. We don't want to look too made up. Gloss. And lashes. When applying mascara, make sure you move your hand to the other side when you go on your left eye, because you don't want marks on your nose, do you? So there you have it. Easy makeup for travel photos. Green version. Green and orange. Happy travel, guys. See ya.